Meditation. People who meditate frequently claim that it has improved their lives and helped them find inner peace. Scientists support this claim, confirming that meditation not only lowers stress but also improves physical well-being. If you're ready to give it a try but are unsure of where to start or what to do, don't worry, this guide will definitely be helpful. These are 5 reasons to meditate. To understand yourself better. Reduce your stress and anxiety. Connect with yourself. Increase focus. Lessen brain chatter. Tips for meditation. 1. Find place. Select a peaceful location for meditation while making sure the setting is appropriate. Meditation needs a specific ambience and sufficient time, so be sure that you won't be interrupted or distracted by anyone or anything. 2. Set a time limit. If you're just beginning, it can help to choose a short time, such as 5 or 10 minutes. But be consistent and patient. Don't look at the clock. 3. Notice your body. All acceptable seating positions include kneeling, crossing your legs loosely, and sitting in a chair with your feet on the floor. Ensure that you are secure and in a position that you can maintain for some time. You can carry out a few simple workouts can help you prepared for meditation. The best strategy is to stretch your body, particular focus on stretching your shoulders, neck, and lower back. 4. Choices of clothes. Loose-fitting clothing is ideal regardless of whether you're meditating inside or outside. Limiting or inappropriate attire, however cute it may be, will just cause you to feel uneasy, destroying the whole experience of meditation. 5. Concentrate. Close your eyes and focus on your inner self. Concentrate on breathing naturally. When you inhale or exhale, pay attention to how your body moves. It will improve focus and reduce brain chatter. 6. Watch your thoughts. Pay attention to your thoughts, but don't judge yourself or fixate over the content of the thoughts you find yourself lost in. Just come back. 7. Relaxing music. Choose relaxing music for meditation. It will help to focus, calm your soul and avoid distraction. A playlist for relaxing and meditating music is also available on my channel. Check it out as well, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.